Good morning, students. Today is your first class of Moral Values, Unit 1 Story I Can Dance Again. With Dipali Singh, you are discussing this. So, class, tell me the stories in the end, what moral you have learned about it. Under your book, Young Leaders, Shiv Kheda, we are going to learn. She is Sudha Chandran. I hope you recognize the famous face of the television shows, and she is the great dancer even of Bharatnatyam. Students, she is Sudha Chandran. Her age is 17. On 22nd May 1981, she left the Chennai by bus for reaching the temple of Tiruchi. She is going to Ganesha's temple, and suddenly the bus rammed into a truck. The driver was killed instantly. Sudha, who's sitting just 2 seats behind of the driver, her leg was jammed in the mangled metal. A few college students rushed from the back and trying to help her, but Sudha's leg is freezed over there. But anyhow, they are able to help and take her to the hospital. The doctor observed that it was a bad state of her leg. Few days later, Sudha noticed that it had turned an odd color. Because she is suffering from gangrene and it is spread all over in the leg, Sudha had to choose between her life or her leg. Sudha's leg was in a very bad condition and in a 7.5 inches below the knee. Her leg was amputated. The word amputated meaning is that it cut it down from the surgical operation. Sudha was shattered. Her ambition is to dance. She had given many performances before this accident, about 75 public performances. She have a vision in her eyes, but now it is question mark. Sudha saw stump of her leg. Stump means a wooden piece attached to her, and she held on her father's hand, whispered, "I lost my leg. How will I dance? Will I dance?" Her tears streamed down her cheeks. In a few months, Sudha tried walking with the help of that wooden leg, but crutches are there. That wooden leg was heavy and it's not comfortable to walk. Now that is very stiff, unable to bear the daughter's ego by his father, so he bought a wheelchair. But Sudha set her first goal, I will walk normally. So she refused to sit on that wheelchair. Instead continued practicing with the wooden leg, hoping slowly gave way to the steady shuffle. Then Sudha got confidence to walk and work with this wooden leg. After 6 months of surgery, Sudha read about a doctor who was making artificial legs, which were light and flexible. That when Sudha set her second goal, that she will dance again. She met to the Dr. Sethi and asked him to plant a leg which can be possible and make her to dance again. Her goal was very clear. Dr. Sethi examined Sudha and assured her she could walk normal again. She face brightened and her father told the doctors that Sudha was earlier as a dancer before this accident. Now doctor have planned to make a special foot for Sudha in aluminium so that it was light with her arrangement for the leg to rotate easily. Sudha returned to Mumbai eager to try new limb. The new leg was more comfortable than the wooden one, but still not easy to manage. Sudha spent long hours walking and finally mastered it. One morning, Sudha strapped on her leg, turned her feet outward, bent her knee, and tried a dance step. A searing pain shot through the leg, and the limb tore into her skin. But Sudha kept her practice going on. Her leg bled. She moved her leg in quick tempo. The pain was killing. At the end, every dance session, Sudha would wonder whether her goal was realistic or not. Well, that too, a dance like Bharatnatyam is not easy. Sudha decided to meet Dr. Sethi again, this time with her dance teacher. It was impossible for the doctor not to be moved by such determination. Sudha asked his teacher to show certain steps to the doctor so the doctor can understand Sudha's need to be rotate her leg. He then designed a new leg, strapping it on. He told Sudha, I have done my best. Now it is your turn. Sudha knows now only the way of achieving her goal is to do hard work. She systematically mastered the art of spinning an artificial limb. She did a well, and that's when Sudha decided she was ready to go on stage. Mumbai South Indian Welfare Society agreed to give her a chance. On that evening, 28 January 1984, her family, friends, and fans, everybody was waited for that night. Now, she again danced and danced in the manner a big round of applause and rave review of the viewers. Sudha that she had done what she want set out. So the goal is the most important thing. Students, as Sudha have determined her goal, set your goals and achieve them in realize the dream's importance. Go ahead, live your dream. Now, this is all about our chapter is achieving goals. Thank you.